I'm meteorologist Herman City. It's your weatherman. This video for this Thursday. Alrighty, here's the latest on the storm system coming. Um, Hurricane Willa came across Mexico, across southern Texas. Now the center of it is someplace right in there. It's not really well defined, and you can see the upper level system back up in here. Now the storm's going to come over. It's going to come up the eastern seaboard, intensify as it does so, and it's going to bring gales and heavy rains and even some mountain snows. It doesn't look like the Appalachians now are going to get any snow. It looks like the New Hampshire, Vermont mountains, Maine, maybe the Adirondacks are going to get the snow out of it, and we'll talk about that there in a second. So it's a pretty potent storm that's coming up. Certainly the blocking pattern is in place for a storm. It's going to remain in a blocking pattern for a while. And so some more storms will be coming along as we see it. All right, here's the radar, my ugly radar. You can see the rain's out here, rain all down through the Gulf Coast states, some heavy rains. Some rain coming through the places that hit by Michael recently. And that's not good because they're trying to clean up that mess down there. And if we go on to severe weather-wise, not much in the way of severe weather. Maybe some thunderstorms coming along, but not much in the way of any severe weather coming. Next week will be severe weather. We'll be talking about that on the Weather Concierge site, more about severe weather coming. Okay, this is going to be a quick video, sure enough. Okay, here's the map for tomorrow afternoon. Storm systems gathering strength across the southeast, a blossoming area, rain from the Ohio Valley, Midwest, all the way down into the southeastern part of the country. And it'll start to ride up the eastern seaboard on Saturday. Rain, some heavy rain along the coast, some heavy rain back through the Piedmont areas into the eastern Appalachians. Gales along the shore, the beaches are going to get windy, gusts 40 miles an hour or better. From Maine all the way down to the Delmarva. It's going to be quite windy on the beaches there. Maybe some overwash from the tides coming up as well. And that could be a problem with the beaches, some beach erosion and such going on there. And then by Sunday, that storm is up into Maine. Like I said, there'll be some snow up here across Maine, Vermont, Hampshire, but then it's going to turn over to rain and get on out. Another storm is going to come in behind it. All right, it's the next trough. This was really, the trough I thought was going to pick this thing up and be one entity, one big storm here, and with more snow. But it looks like it's split into two, with one coming up, another one coming in. So, the idea of snow in the Appalachians didn't work out too well, Henry. Well, it's only October. We got plenty of snowstorms to go. So that one, next storm that comes in on this is Monday. Another coastal storm here with rain going on, some snow flurries behind it, and that skedaddles out of here on Tuesday, and we'll be done with that. Okay, this is the snow forecast. You can see from the northern mountains of Pennsylvania up through the northeast, snow-wise here. Some folks up here in the mountains going to get a foot of snow out of this thing here. I mean, there's going to be some heavy snow, but it's all going to be elevation dependent. Okay, this is like up toward Hunter Mountain. These areas could get some snow up there. So places above probably 2,500 feet, 3,000 feet will get snow. And then it gets a little bit less in elevation as we further north you go, because the cold air is going to hold on a little bit longer. So that's pretty much it. I don't think there's going to be, I think the flooding is going to be confined to the coastal areas because the wind will be coming in and bringing those high tides in briefly. And so I think you'll get some coastal flooding out of this, but not general flooding from the heavy rains. So that's where we are today. I'm meteorologist Henry Marcacetti. Talk to you tomorrow.